You're most welcome. And even if you can contradict me, you should go ahead and do that. I am not going to take it personally. If someone goes and contradicts me, it only gives us opportunity to discuss that issue further. Something new and useful only is going to come out. See, I am not against any person here, okay? No matter how argumentative you get, and I actually welcome arguments, all right? I actually welcome a lot of questions. Whether the question is correct or not, whether it is proven correct or not, whether the answer is helpful or not, nothing matters. My job here is to answer your queries. What queries come to your mind is neither in your hand nor in my hand. Don't judge your queries. That is another thing I usually tell anyone who has joined these courses and workshops is don't hold back your queries. Sometimes people feel that, okay, will I look stupid asking this question? Or will I offend the speaker asking this question? No. That does not hold here. If you cannot share your question publicly, if you want to keep it private, send me a DM. You can send personal message on Zoom also. You can send that question in DM in Discord if you don't want to be public about it. I'll still answer. If you want me to keep your name out of it, I'll still answer. But understand, the idea is to get as many questions as possible, because the more questions you get, the more opportunity for discussion arises. The more discussion that happens, the more learning happens. So I am not taking it as a contradiction. And even if I get passionate and I sometimes can get a little bit hyper, and sometimes I can become a little loud, all those things will happen. But those are not against the person who's asking the question. Always remember, it is always on the point that is being discussed. So if it is a stupid retail behavior, I will say it as a stupid retail behavior. We all are retail traders here, and sometimes we all make those stupid mistakes. But it's not calling someone stupid. It is the idea or the concept that is being discussed that might be stupid. So please don't take it personally. Also, I am also saying it from my side. And in fact, I welcome contradiction and arguments. All right. Just that we all have to be respectful of each other. That most of us are quite aware of. Like, there is no need even to mention that. But we all have seen enough of this market and of life to understand that getting to the answer, to the solution, is more important than what language is being used or what is the tone of the voice and all those kinds of things. So there is no need to worry about it.